It has been a year since I purchased my everyday carry belt from NRA's retail sales. I think they use an outfit called Chameleon Bags to sell their leather products, purses, carry belts. They might even do vests. This particular belt is a Smith & Wesson logo on it. It's genuine leather made in India, and it's a 42-44 carry belt. I'm a kind of a fat boy. I like the thickness of it. It's held up. I wear it every day. I don't carry every day, and this is my favorite carry holster, the paddle style with it's wide, it's Tagua. It doesn't have the snap, but it locks in. It has like a indent for the trigger guard that works quite well to hold it firm, and it also carries firm on the hip. I'll show you that later. But there is where my gut snaps it together. You can see it has some distress there, but no tearing. Some small distress shows up where the hasp, the buckle holds. It's got a little Smith & Wesson logo here. I like it. Where I've worn it enough to where it has scuffing on the side. I don't know if it's showing up too much. It doesn't show up very much, but there is some scuffing or distress where the carry points scrape on the belt. But it's held up wonderfully well as a belt, and it's a good firm carry platform for the holster. And I'll show how it fits in a minute. This is my Smith & Wesson 9mm shield I use for my everyday carry when I carry every day. It's cleared, nothing in the magazine. I keep it's snug fit. I'm kind of a chub cat, so at least on the side, the body fat will have a tendency to push on anything you stuff in there, but this fits much snugger than my I have another Tagua, which I'll show in my I'll link it to the first video I did. I'll show in how this is much snugger, more comfortable fit for carry when you put your blouse over your shirt or your t-shirt over your carry, and it's kind of, with big guys with the, you know, the muffin, you can kind of disguise stuff pretty easy for your carry. But it's right here the gun fits in, and the belt is always really snug. I mean, it's a good fit on there, and it also allows you to get your foot in your pocket, your hand in your pocket without too much distress. They're pretty easy removal and reset back into the holster. I'm a fan of the Tagua products, and I love Smith & Wesson shield as a carry gun and a pretty good shooter. It's not near as accurate as my Berettas. I've had 92 FS and M9s before, and they're a real good shooter, but it's like carrying a hammer around with you too. They're a big gun. Anyway, I like what I've got there for the carry belt. Again, this is just an update for what I bought, how I had notions of when I first bought this carry belt about if I was getting the right belt, and I got a lot of feedback I should get one of those really hefty combat Carl style belts. But this belt is kind of a sleeper because it doesn't look like some kind of military program or paramilitary belt or something like that. This is a very stylish and easy carry belt, everyday carry belt. I like it for that. Thank you.